Welcome back from an ad break. We are just now recapping and wrapping up our Paper 1 Business Studies Paper 1 exam. So this is an exam prep. As you know, you are writing out of 150. So we're starting off with our taxonomy levels. For Paper 1, what do we have? We've got Level 1 and Level 2, which is found in your Section A. Level 1 is your knowledge or remembering type of questions. Comprehension or understanding, this is what is being assessed here, 30 marks, which makes it 30% of your question. So you can see it's very important that you answer here and you don't leave anything blank, because this is a compulsory section. Everyone has to answer this section. And then you go to Section B. Section B has got 3 questions, of which you are required to answer any 2 questions from this section. So this one has got Level 3, Level 4 questions, which is your application or applying knowledge or analysis, 50% of your exam, and it's 80 marks, so it weighs more. And then lastly, we've got your Section C, which is your essay questions. You've got 2 essays, and then you're only answering 1. Remember, you don't answer all essay questions, but only 1. So here we are looking at this level of synthesis. Are you able to synthesize the information, evaluation, or creating? This is what is being assessed here. 20% of it, it's your essay question. So it's out of 40. Don't forget here, Paper 1, we are assessing what? The business environment and the business operations. Right, so these are the final thoughts that I'm going to leave you with. So when you start your exam, or before you even start, you need to use the 10 minutes of the reading time allocated to you. It's very important, because this is where you read everything and then you ask yourself, which question am I going to start with? Which question am I going to answer? Am I going to answer question 2 and 3, or 3 and 4, or what? For Section B and for Section C, which essay am I going to answer? So it's very important that you use the 10 minutes reading time allocated to you. Right. Secondly, the mark allocation should be used as a guide for the number of facts that are required when answering the question. Remember when I said to you, when they say explain 3, discuss 4 factors. So you need to look at those, and so that you can know. Or sometimes even the question, sometimes you're not given the number of facts that you have to give. Sometimes they'll just say discuss the factors, the impact maybe of crime as a socioeconomic issue, 6 marks. So when you now answering, or when you're giving the answer, you need to look at the mark allocation so that you can give the answers properly. Remember, full sentences for full marks. Right. Thirdly, you need to number the answers correctly according to the numbering system that is used in the question paper. No marks will be awarded for the answers that are numbered incorrectly. Follow the numbering system as per the question paper. Don't now create your own numbering system, or else you'll be penalized. You will not be given the correct marks, or you will be marked you will say you are marked unfair, of which you are the one who made that mistake. So let's try and avoid that practice. Right. Last but not least, you need to breathe, you need to relax, because you've got this. If you've studied, if you know your work, you've done your part, just breathe, relax, and tell yourself that I've got this. So from me, I'm saying to you, all the best, enjoy your exams. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.